Oh dear.
Your call, please.
Operator, I've been dialing Mortal Hills now for the last quarter of an hour, and the line is always busy, but I don't see how it could be busy that long. Will you try it for me, please?
Murray Hill 40098. One moment, please.
I don't see it could be busy all the time. It's my husband's office. He worked late tonight and I'm alone here in my house. My health is very poor and I've been feeling so nervous all day.
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, George? Yes, sir?
Hello? Who's this? What number I'm calling?
We have heard from our client. He says the coast is clear for tonight.
Yes, sir.
Where are you now?
In a phone booth.
Okay, you know the address. At 11 o'clock, the private patrolman goes around to the bar on 2nd Avenue for a beer.
Be sure that all the lights downstairs are out. There should be an only one light visible from the street. At 11:15, a subway train crosses the bridge. It makes a noise. It gains her window is open and she should scream.
Hello? What number is this, please?
Okay, I understand.
Make it quick. As a little blood as possible, our client does not wish to make her suffer long.
It's a knife, okay, sir?
Yes, a knife will be okay. And remember, remove the rings and bracelets and the jewelry in the drawer. Our client wishes it to look like simple robbery.
Okay, I get it.
Oh, how awful. How speakable.
Your call, please.
I've just been cut off.
I'm sorry, madam. What number were you calling?
Why? It was supposed to be Murray Hill, 40098, but it wasn't. Some wires must have been crossed. I was cut into the wrong number and I've been just heard the most fearful thing. A murder?